Have you ever pondered how Notre Dame, a Gothic architectural masterpiece, has withstood the test of time? Let's take a step back, all the way to the 12th century. Picture this, a time of kings and queens, a time when the idea of Notre Dame was but a spark in the mind of Bishop Maurice de Sully. The construction of Notre Dame began in the year 1163, a labor of love that spanned almost 2 centuries. The cathedral has weathered many storms, from the French Revolution to World War II, standing tall and proud amidst the chaos. But perhaps the most infamous event in its history was the devastating fire in 2019, a tragedy that shook the world. But like a phoenix, Notre Dame is rising from the ashes, a symbol of resilience and tenacity. From its inception, Notre Dame has been more than a building. It's a testament to human resilience and architectural brilliance. What makes Notre Dame an epitome of French Gothic architecture so unique? Where to begin? Nestled in the heart of Paris, Notre Dame is an architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time. Its distinctive features, like the flying buttresses, are more than just decorative elements. They're ingenious solutions to the challenges of constructing a towering edifice in the Middle Ages. These buttresses allowed architects to build higher, to reach for the heavens, while ensuring the structure's stability. Then there are the rose windows, intricate kaleidoscopes of stained glass that cast a mesmerizing array of colors within the hallowed cathedral. And who could forget the iconic spire, piercing the Parisian skyline, a beacon guiding the faithful and the curious alike. Over centuries, Notre Dame's design has evolved, bearing witness to changing artistic trends, societal shifts, and the indomitable human spirit. Notre Dame's architecture is a symphony of stone and glass, a testament to the ingenuity of its creators. Ever wondered about the engineering marvels hidden within the walls of Notre Dame? Well, sit back and let's unlock the secrets together. This grand cathedral isn't just a pretty face, it's a testament to the ingenious minds of the past. A marvel of medieval engineering, Notre Dame is brimming with structural innovations. The ribbed vaults, for instance, are not just an aesthetic triumph, but also a practical solution, distributing the weight of the stone roof evenly across the pillars, allowing for grander, more open spaces. But the true genius lies in the support systems. The flying buttresses, majestic arches that spring from the outside, are a masterstroke in design. They counteract the outward force of the heavy vaulted ceiling, preventing the walls from buckling under pressure. No small feat in the 12th century, I assure you. Notre Dame stands as a magnificent example of human ingenuity, a monument that defies gravity and time. How has Notre Dame influenced our culture and society? Let's delve into that. The cultural impact of Notre Dame extends far beyond the confines of Paris, rippling out to touch corners of the globe. A testament to its influence is its frequent depiction in art and literature. From Monet's ethereal impressions to Victor Hugo's epic tale, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, this iconic cathedral has inspired generations of creatives, shaping and reflecting societal perceptions. But perhaps the most poignant demonstration of its cultural significance came in the aftermath of the 2019 fire. The world watched in shared sorrow as flames ravaged this symbol of resilience, reinforcing its deep-rooted connection with people everywhere. The overwhelming global response, a testament to its enduring cultural resonance. Notre Dame is more than an architectural marvel. It is a cultural icon that has left an indelible imprint on our collective memory. Why does Notre Dame continue to captivate us, generation after generation? It's a question that echoes in the hushed whispers of its vaulted ceilings and resonates in the silent reverence of its awestruck visitors. Notre Dame is more than a marvel of architecture or a testament to history. It's a symbol, a beacon that shines through the ages, reflecting the triumphs and trials of humanity. Its spires reach for the heavens, a silent prayer etched in stone, while its walls hold stories of kings and paupers, wars and peace, love and loss. It's a tapestry of human emotion woven through the centuries, and every thread tells a story. Notre Dame, in its essence, mirrors the human spirit, resilient, enduring, and beautiful. It has weathered storms and survived fires, yet it stands, a testament to our collective strength and perseverance. Notre Dame, in its grandeur and resilience, stands as a beacon of hope, inspiring awe and reverence in the hearts of millions.